One of the most important ways to improve your body's health is to improve the liver. The liver is one of the body's most important multitaskers. Besides clearing your bloodstream of toxins, it aids in metabolism, helps your body to build proteins, digest hormones, and much more. Liver congestion is a state where the liver function is suboptimal because the flow within is slowed, and this results in poor and slowed metabolite clearance. Lab tests typically show as normal or marginally abnormal. Conventional medicine has no solution, and this state is often passed over as being insignificant. However, it's an obvious sign of a potential future health crisis, and you need to be on alert and to act promptly to reverse the damage that's present, but not severe enough to show up on a blood test. The liver is an important organ in the body's stress response, and one of the best ways to maintain a healthy stress response is to improve the liver health. The neuroendometabolic stress model represents and describes the body's response to stress, and how the stress should be holistically evaluated and treated. The adrenal organs are the first line of defense against stress. They're responsible for producing over 50 stress hormones, including the most prevalent and important, cortisol. The liver is the second in line, and it's commonly affected as well. To fully stimulate the body's ability to quickly and effectively produce a neuroendometabolic response to the stress whenever it comes knocking at your door, all of your body's organ systems, pathways, and chemical reactions need to be in tip-top shape. The detoxification response is very important to ensure the body is clean and ready to handle anything that's thrown at it. The liver is one of the organs that plays a crucial part in the detoxification pathway, so a healthy liver is completely necessary for your body to prepare the neuroendometabolic response to stress. In advanced stages of adrenal failure, the body can often become congested and bogged down by a buildup of toxins and metabolites. This is often due to a sluggish liver that gets overwhelmed as the body loses energy and must slow down in order to conserve energy. A buildup of toxins in the body can lead to hypersensitivities to chemicals, medications, and even electromagnetic fields. Following these guidelines to liver health can greatly improve your body's response to the stress, prevent the onset of adrenal crashes, stabilize blood sugar, and reduce brain fog that's commonly associated with a congested liver. While detoxifying the liver appears to be a logical approach, many people fail and in fact worsen their adrenal fatigue. This is usually due to the improper timing, overzealous approaches, or lack of a comprehensive plan for the total recovery process. This is especially true if one is in the advanced stages of adrenal fatigue, when the body is weak. Characteristic symptoms of this include the need to eat every 2 to 3 hours, insomnia, heart palpitations, brain fog, dizziness, low exercise capacity, and depression. For those with advanced adrenal fatigue, even gentle detoxification can be stressful. The following tips can be considered if deployed properly at the right time, with the right dose and delivery system. The right thing done at the wrong time can worsen your congestion. A comprehensive clinical plan should be in place in case the body decompensates. Take care when implementing any of the suggestions, as the indiscriminate use of detoxification, however good, is a common cause of adrenal crashes and a retarded recovery. Proceed under the guidance of an experienced professional if you're in the advanced stages of adrenal weakness. Bitter herbs aid in detoxification by helping the liver to break down nutrition and impurities. A combination of bitters in a tea about half an hour before you eat can aid in digestion, liver function, and detoxification. Toxins removed from the liver in cleansing will only be reabsorbed if not purged from the bowels. Soluble fiber psyllium husk is a common purgative. It's safe to use it daily. You can stir a teaspoon into 2 cups of water or tea and then drink it down half an hour before any other foods, supplements, or drinks. Some people can develop a paradoxical effect and become constipated. If you suffer from irritable bowel, proceed with care. Milk thistle is an effective liver tonic to reverse chemical liver damage and prevent toxicity of the liver in cancer patients who are undergoing chemotherapy. The milk thistle nourishes and supports the liver, and it can be taken for long periods of time without causing problems. Fermented milk thistle in liquid is particularly potent, as the fermentation process breaks down molecules into micronutrients, allowing for easy absorption and assimilation. The liver bounces back quickly from stress of poor nutrition, so you can detox fairly rapidly by fasting from 1 to 3 days, depending on the severity of your liver congestion and your overall health. Fasting can allow the liver the opportunity to process the nutrients and toxins that it's taxed by every day. Eating less while still taking in nutrients can help to relax the liver and improve the liver health. When fasting for the liver health, you still need energy and nutrients, so be prepared by having nutrient-rich fruit and vegetable juices available to drink every 3 hours or so, such as carrot juice or juices made from pure, organic, fibrous fruits and vegetables. These can provide the minimum daily requirements of calories to prevent muscle loss. Fasting is a quick reboot of your organs, so don't prolong it more than necessary, and stop if you experience fatigue, weakness, or dizziness. In the advanced stages of adrenal fatigue, the body can start to lose blood sugar regulation functionality as the metabolism becomes dysregulated. In these cases, it's not advisable to go long periods without eating, and fasting is not recommended. In fact, the body, in advanced stages of adrenal fatigue, frequently needs to have food every 2 to 3 hours to avoid a state of reactive hypoglycemia. This is where the symptoms of low blood sugar are present, but the lab glucose is normal. In the modern world, it's nearly impossible to avoid all toxins and contaminants, but you should do whatever is possible to support the proper liver and organ function with a healthy lifestyle. Avoid overeating, as you create stress on the liver every time you eat, so choose wisely, have fresh fruits and vegetables, lots of fibre, and avoid processed foods altogether. Don't give your liver more to process than is necessary, so this means avoiding chemicals and toxins in food, cleaning products, and the environment as much as possible, and absolutely avoiding smoking, recreational drugs, and alcohol. Relieve stress as much as possible. Clear your life of any unnecessary stress so your organs can process the necessary stressors effectively. Simplify your task list and let go of chores that don't need your personal attention, and ask for help from others when you need it. Your organs need water to cleanse and survive. Increasing your water intake helps to accelerate the speed at which your liver breaks down nutrients and flushes out toxins. Drink 16 ounces of water within moments after waking, as this stimulates your liver and helps to remove toxins from the body that's been broken down overnight. Aim for 16 ounces every time that you eat. 8 ounces before and 8 ounces after each meal and snack. Starving your organs of proper hydration causes slower digestion and removal of toxins from the body. Adding lemon slices to the water can help to detox and balance the pH. Those in advanced stages of adrenal fatigue need to be careful not to take in excessive fluid without proper electrolyte replenishment to avoid a condition known as dilution hyponatremia. Since your liver is involved in metabolism, the proper diet can be a powerful tool to help to improve the liver health. Legumes like kidney beans, chickpeas, and string beans all have a cooling property. Leafy green vegetables like kale, cabbage, spinach, and chard can be helpful. Fruits and berries like fibrous fruits are the best, such as mangoes, guava, bananas, oranges, apples, and raspberries. Have whole grains like oatmeal with breakfast, cooked barley with dinner. The exact proportion and the timing can vary from person to person. Some need to be on rotation to allow the liver ample time to process if the congestion is severe. Cut back on heating foods and hot tastes. Use organ-friendly coconut oil sparingly. Although hot spices like cinnamon and chili powder have their uses in metabolism, you should reduce or cut them out during the liver cleanse. Your liver sees alcohol as toxic, so avoid it entirely. Tomatoes are very acidic and they should be avoided during the cleansing. Coffee is very acidic. It also contains caffeine and can stress your liver. If you're already dependent on coffee, don't stop abruptly as it can trigger an adrenal crash. During the liver detox, red meat takes too much time and energy for the organs to break down. However, some people, especially those with blood type O, can do well. Keeping the body active and the metabolism stable is critical to improving the liver health and the body. The liver can become sluggish with a buildup of fatty tissue. Sedentary people often have the worst liver function, so give your body an energy boost and incorporate exercise into your daily routine. Even just 5 minutes of cardiovascular exercise, like jogging in place, walking up and down stairs, or Pilates, can help to improve your liver function. Once again, if your body is in the advanced stages of adrenal fatigue, exercise may not be recommended, as it can be stressful on the body and deplete your energy reserves. Your liver needs periods of rest in order to function properly. To learn more about adrenal fatigue, liver function, detoxification, to book a consultation or learn about herbs, supplements and natural treatments, check out my website.